Hello everybody, and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be demonstrating another sweet which is mostly prepared during Christmas, and that is rose cookies. So let's see what are the ingredients required to prepare this sweet.
Combine refined flour, rice flour, coconut milk, sugar, eggs, salt, baking powder and vanilla essence. Mix well to form a smooth thick batter. I have used processed rice flour, but you all can also soak the rice overnight and grind it into fine paste and use it in this recipe. I have only used white sesame seeds, but you all can also use a combination of white and black sesame seeds. Heat sufficient oil in a vessel. Dip the rose cookie mold in the hot oil, and when hot enough, dip it halfway into the batter and put it back immediately in the oil. Deep fry the cookie till crisp and separate them from the mold using a knife. Heat the mold again and repeat the process to make the remaining cookies. Store them in an airtight container.
If you liked my video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.